Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix Green Dot app not working. So if you're currently having problems that your Green Dot app is not working and you want to be able to fix this, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So actually what I did myself is that I firstly closed my Green Dot app and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. So now in my settings app, then what I did in here is very simple. I scrolled down in here as you can see, and then I clicked on general. So now on general, I just scrolled down in here again and then I clicked on storage as you can see here. And then on storage, you're just going to simply scroll up like this until you can see the search bar up top. So click on search, search for green, and you should be able to see the Green Dot app in here as you can see now. So click on upload app and once again click on upload app in here. Then click on the reinstall app button. So just simply now wait for your Green Dot app to completely update to its latest version. So I did this myself by the way, and after this new update was done, so after the app actually auto-updated to the latest version, because by doing this you're going to auto-update your app, this actually fixed it for me. So try this and then go back into the app when it's done, and hopefully now it's working for you as well.